In early 1942, the Philippines came under Japanese control quickly because on January 2, 1942, the Japanese bombed the Pearl Harbor and the Japanese army occupied the Manila. The capital of the Philippines during World War II, Manila was declared as an open city. An open city means that they are essentially surrendering the city without fight to avoid further destruction and to avoid civilian casualties. In short, they would not fight back from the Japanese forces. The reason why the Japanese did that because they want to control the Philippines and get its cash resources. And they also want to eliminate General MacArthur's Far Eastern Armed Air Forces.
In 1942 daw po, panahon ng Hapon or ng World War II is marami pong Pilipina na naabuso ng mga Hapon. Dito po ay nakaranas po sila ng tagalaba po sila, tagaluto, taga-asikaso at sa gabi naman po ay doon po sila re-repair ng mga Hapon. So, 1,000 pong mga Pilipina na nakaranas po ng pag-aabuso ng mga Hapon. Ang pinakabata po dito is 8 taong gulang po. So, meron din pong Pilipina na tinapos po ang kanilang buhay dahil sa mga brutal na ginagawa po ng mga Hapon sa kanila. So, and since nung inception in 1997, Comfort Women Survivors Group called Malaya Lolas po, led by Kilan Tang, has repeatedly called on the Filipino government to press their case with Japan po.
Noong Abril 1942, natalo ang mga sundalong Pilipino at Amerikano sa Battle of Bataan at Battle of Corregidor laban sa mga Hapones. Matapos ang pagkatalo sa Bataan, libu-libong sundalo ang pinilit na maglakad sa tinatawag na Bataan Death March kung saan marami ang namatay dahil sa pagod, gutom at init. Sa Corregidor naman, bumagsak ang huling depensa ng mga Amerikano at Pilipino na nagtulak sa Japan na sakupin ang Pilipinas kaya't nakontrol ng mga Hapon ang Pilipinas. Maraming Pilipino ang naghirap at nagdusa dahil sa mahigpit na pamumuno ng mga Hapon. Sa kabila ng pagsakop, hindi tumigil ang mga Pilipino sa paglaban. Bumuo sila ng guerrilla group na palihim na lumaban sa mga Hapon.
May 6, 1942, the defenders of Corregidor, an important island in Manila Bay, surrendered to Japanese forces after a long fight. This was a major loss for the Allied forces in the Philippines during World War II. More than 13,000 soldiers and civilians who had been holding out were captured. The fall of Corregidor showed how strong the Japanese military had become and highlighted the difficulties faced by the Allies. This event not only affected military plans but also lowered moral change the course of the war in the Pacific, leading to more resistance effort by the Filipino and American forces in the following.
In 1944, during World War II, Allied force led by the United States under General Douglas MacArthur launched a major campaign to liberate the Philippines from Japanese occupation. The campaign began with the landing at Leyte on October 20, fulfilling MacArthur's famous promise as Washington. Shortly after the Battle of Leyte, one of the largest naval battles in history took place, breaking Japan's naval power and cutting off its supply lines. Fierce battles followed across the island with heavy casualties on both sides. By the end of the year, Allied troops had regained significant territory, including key locations such as Leyte and Manila, paving the way for the full liberation of the Philippines with the recapture of Manila in 1945.
Leyte Battle, one of the largest naval battles in history, helped decimate the Japanese fleet, weakening their ability to resist Allied forces in the Pacific. The Philippines campaign continued with intense fighting across various islands, eventually leading to the full liberation of the Philippines by 1945. The successful campaign significantly contributed to the weakening of Japanese military power and played a vital role in the ultimate Allied victory in the World War II. And Japanese occupation in 1945. The Philippines was officially liberated from Japanese control by 1945, with the completion of military operations led by United States and Filipino forces. These came after fierce battles, including the Battle of Manila in early 1945, which resulted in heavy destruction and loss of life. On July 4, 1946, the Philippines officially gained independence from the United States, ending nearly 50 years of American colonial rule.
December 8, 1941 marked a pivotal moment in the Philippine history. Just 10 hours after the surprise attack on the Pearl Harbor in Hawaii, Japan launched a surprise attack on the Philippines, catching the country's military force off guard. The Japanese attack on the Philippines began with air raids on the military institution, includes Clark Air Base in Pampanga and Nichols Field in Pasay. The attack out on the Philippines and American force by surprise, resulting in significant damage and casualties.
The Japanese on December 10, 1941 arrived in northern Luzon, more particularly in the town of Bigan. During their invasion of the Philippines, this was the start of their campaign to take over the country during the World War II. This was a few days following the attack at Pearl Harbor. The Japanese intention was to acquire the airfield in the area for use in the future operation in South. Bigan was of strategic value since it was possessed an airfield that Japanese could utilize to gain air superiority in the area. This would enable them to transport troops and supplies more conveniently and to launch additional attacks on other areas of the Philippines. While Japanese troops were superior in terms of numbers and equipment, the Filipino and some American troops did put a fight against the invasion, but they were eventually unable to keep the Japanese out of the Philippines.
However, seems to be mixed up between Mindoro and Mindanao in your statement. On December 15 to 16, 1944, U.S. forces and Filipino guerrillas liberated in Mindoro, a key island in the Philippines, part of MacArthur's campaign against Japanese forces. Meanwhile, in Mindoro, Moro guerrillas continued their resistance, but full liberated occurred later in 1945.
Here are some information about the Japanese surrender in the Philippines in 1945. The Battle of Luzon was a land battle between the Allied forces and the Japanese Empire. The Allies won the battle by March 1945. The battle for Cebu was a city major engagement between the Allied forces and the Japanese army. The Allies won the battle between March 26 and April 8, 1945. The battle for the recapture of Corregidor was a battle between the American forces and the Japanese garrison on the island fortress. The Americans won the battle between February 16 and 26 in 1945. The Philippine Resistance Movement was an underground and guerrilla activity that opposed the Japanese and their collaborators. The Battle of Leyte was an amphibious invasion of the island of Leyte by American forces and Filipino guerrillas. This is all the battle that happens in the 1945 when the Japanese surrendered because the Americans dropped